What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. We are sitting in the 2022 Tesla Model Y long range Killmonger, as you guys know him. Today we're upgrading the lights inside of the Model Y. It's something that I've always wanted to do since I got the car. I was like, the lights in here are cool, but they're just too dim and they just don't add a vibe that I like. You know, if you see my house, I have RGB lights everywhere, and I'm like, I need to add some RGB lights to the Tesla. So I'm not installing the typical ones that you guys see all the time that are like in the center console area that go across the dash, and I actually found some that are actual plug and play that replace the ones down in the footwells, and they're also in all the 4 doors. So when you open the doors, you see the lights. So like I said, they're true plug and play. So I'm literally just replacing the lights that are already there with these ones from RPM Tesla. So they're literally the same lights, but they're RGB and LED, and you actually can control them with this little remote. So you can change all the colors, change the modes, all that stuff. So we're gonna install them and see what they look like, and hopefully they turn out great. So let's get to the installation. And one quick little pro tip. So I just got done doing all 4 doors. When you disengage the original light that's inside the door, it will trip a mechanism in the window to actually drop down. So basically, like, you know, when you open up your door and it slightly rolls down, you basically are triggering that, and it thinks it's open. And if you close the door, you will shatter it. That didn't happen, but just a little quick reminder just to not close your door until you put the light back in. If not, you risk damaging your window, and that could be a hefty little bill right there. So we just got done doing that, and now we're gonna go into the interior and do the footwells. Okay, so this was going fairly easy, not gonna lie, but this passenger footwell, oh my god, is giving me so much trouble. I mean, maybe I should probably get like a real screwdriver and see what's up, but yeah, I'll be back because this thing is giving me trouble. I think I spent about 10 minutes just on this one. Yeah, so that last one's giving me major trouble. So actually Dulce is gonna bring up a new screwdriver and a butter knife just so I can see if I can get that to work. And so that didn't work at all. So what actually ended up happening was I needed to do a little research. Well, turns out that bottom footwell light doesn't come out as simple and easy as all the other ones. You actually need to take off that whole panel underneath and remove the light from the inside instead of downward from the outside. So I'll actually put a link in the description showing how I did it. Basically just showing exactly what I'm talking about right now. But yeah, that was the only hiccup in the whole process. And yeah, so let's continue on with the video, and here are the RGB lights. And there it is. You see the RGB lights in all its glory. I personally, I love what it looks like. I just think it gives the car that little bit of extra flair. Like, you see it for 2 seconds once you open up the doors, and you know, you can put it to whatever color you like, just like as we showed you guys before. Like, you can use the remote to change the colors. You can put them on certain modes like fade and just doing like smooth transition. Same thing with the lights in the footwells inside the car, which is pretty cool. But we typically just keep it on one single color. It gets a little too what's the word? It's a little bit much with having the lights constantly changing as you're driving. So I usually keep it on like purple or red, because I just think it just,
yeah, the red one looks really nice. It's definitely a vibe in here.
Yeah, and that's the thing. We wanted it just to have a vibe. Like, I mean, I'm not trying to have a party in here, but you know.
Yeah, but we can.
But we can, exactly. But yeah, I mean, for what it's worth, like, I love it. It's something that's just there, and it's awesome. So also, if you guys didn't catch our last video, which was our accessories video, I'll put that up in the cards up above, and also down the link below.
Yeah, check that video out, guys. It's very good.
Yeah, it's very informative. It's doing pretty well right now too. So we just appreciate you guys continuously coming back to the channel and watching the videos and engaging with us. So if there's anything else you guys want to see from us or hear from us, definitely let us know down in the comments, and we look forward to seeing y'all on the next one.
Peace.
All right, peace.